The plug-in hybrid powertrain, available in Mazda's CX-90, combines a normally aspirated 4-cylinder engine with a powerful electric motor for a total output of 323 horsepower and 369 pound-feet of torque. This innovative powertrain has been engineered to deliver outstanding efficiency without compromising performance. The CX-90 PHEV, like every Mazda, was created to celebrate the joy of driving. It features an innovative 8-speed automatic transmission, which enhances performance, efficiency, and refinement. 2 clutches manage the connections between the 4-cylinder engine, the electric motor, and the transmission. The CX-90 PHEV also has a larger, more powerful electric motor than non-PHEV models. As a result, it can drive in stop-and-go traffic and at highway speed in EV mode for improved efficiency. Additionally, the regenerative braking system, featuring friction brake-by-wire technology, coordinates control of the friction brakes and the electric motor. This system delivers the desired amount of braking force while efficiently recovering energy as you slow down. It also provides precise control over vehicle speed, enhancing the driver's sense of control. Our goal was to deliver great efficiency in a premium 3-row SUV without compromising on the Mazda driving experience.